Our next guest actually needs no introduction. If you are not living under a rock, you are anywhere on social media, you will know about her. If you haven't known about her, you must have heard her. And, you know, I'm just sort of rambling, trying to ramble my head around this again, that you are just 29, Jaya Kishori.
Yes.
You love spirituality and you love diamonds.
Yes.
So I want to first start by asking you this. How did it happen? How did a young Gen Z like you get into spirituality?
I'm not a Gen Z, no?
You're a millennial then?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a
Or late millennial then?
Yeah,
Yeah.
kind of. But I was 6 when I started my journey. I always say I was destined to do this. It wasn't something planned. I never planned this, and you don't plan this. That I'll be a spiritual speaker someday. But I have huge interest in scriptures. I think that made me do these things. I was very good at speaking. I was very good at expressing things. But I seriously don't have any idea how it started. I started with singing bhajans, and then everything just placed at the right place at the right time, and I did that.
So there was a bigger plan laid
True.
out for you,
Yeah.
as you keep saying. But yeah, tell me this, when the rest of the women or girls your age are looking at booking Diljit Dosanjh tickets, how are you doing spirituality? Like what is happening
No,
here?
you can listen to Diljit and then do spirituality. I think spirituality is all about creating a balance. I am not here to say that you have to leave everything, and I did not leave anything. You can just look at me and see that I did not leave things, but I did create a balance between owning things and not let things own me. I think that's what spirituality teaches you, to create that limit or boundary between a materialistic life and a spiritual life. I have that, and I'm happy with that, I think, and that's what I teach people, that you can live a spiritual life and a materialistic life. You can be modern and traditional. You can be in that enjoying or entertainment phase and still be religious or spiritual.
So it's all about finding your center. It's all about balance, right? But I am very curious to understand, how do you navigate giving classes, lessons to people who are almost your mother's age or your grandmother's age? Generally, it's the other way around how wisdom flows.
I know. I think abhi to it's very natural for me. I have gotten into this habit of doing it. But when I started it, it was very difficult, because especially when you're trying to give your lessons to those who have played with you or maybe taught you things, and it's like, no, now I will teach you everything. I'm like, that's very weird कि अब मैं आपको सिखाती हूँ क्या करना है. But yeah, I think I got a lesson that it's not that हर बार बड़े ही आपको सिखाए, कई बार छोटे भी आपको बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सिखा जाते हैं. And that's where you create a space where you can be humble and listen to people who are not your age, maybe elder to you, maybe younger to you. Maybe someone जिसने इतना काम नहीं किया है फिर भी वो आपको बहुत कुछ सिखा के जा सकता है. So you destroy that ego, that aggression and that arrogance where I know everything and I'll tell everything what to do. I think that's what spirituality teaches you again. That you're being spiritual, you should learn from everybody.
I like how there are lessons sort of wrapped up in all the answers that she's also giving, which is quite smart. But I want to talk about something else. I want to talk about what is your guilty pleasure? Somebody who's teaching about balance, somebody who's teaching about getting it right all the time in terms of perspective. What is your guilty pleasure? Are you also listening to Diljit Dosanjh or what is going on?
Watching reels. Just wasting your time on reels. Sometimes I do that.
Are you doom scrolling? That's what you're telling us?
Sometimes, not every time. So I've gotten into this habit, a very bad habit. So mostly, you know, when you're trying to do these such things where you're on stage or in front of the camera, you think about dieting and looking in a certain way or being fit or something like that. So I've started doing that, and when I am on my diets, so the one thing I do while sleeping is I then watch those food eating challenge videos, and I just feel peace when I see people eating or like just filling their mouth with food, and it's like,
While you are on a diet?
yeah.
Oh
That's
God.
very weird, you know.
Yeah, that's quite, I don't know how you're restraining that. It generally works in
I
the
just
reverse.
feel happy. I don't want to eat. I just feel happy doing that. So I just watch those reels and then I sleep with smile.
So reels can be satiating. I think that's what we are getting at with Jaya over here. So before I let you go, quick bits on I'm trying to imagine your life, early morning. What is the morning mantra since you're on Breakfast Club? What is the breakfast routine? What's the morning routine?
I think breakfast is the most heaviest meal I have.
Yeah.
I love my breakfast. I cannot wait more than half an hour.
Are you a aloo ka paratha kind of a girl?
No.
Yeah.
No. I love aloo ka paratha, but I don't have that every day. But I am a poha girl.
Huh.
I can have poha every day. I do that. I have poha every day. I'm sorry. I think my cook is really irritated. Like, have something new, please. I am just. He's tired of making poha every day, but I'm
you're not tired of
yeah.
eating.
So I love poha. I love poha. I love South Indian. I have my doshas. I have that moong dal chilla with paneer fillings for the protein thing.
But no carb issues over here. Huh? So since you mentioned diet, I wanted to know what exactly are you gravitating towards? Are you a intermittent fasting kind of a girl?
Yes, I am that girl.
How many hours are you doing now?
16 hours
Not
to 18
bad,
hours. Yeah.
not bad.
हाँ. So पर उसके पहले so I don't like counting calories or counting my food. I hate that. So I will have until I feel full. And I'll just have one thing which is a source of protein. उसके अलावा I don't think अच्छा this is carbs and this is the I want to have food. So I don't like that. So I just do that, and I think that's had made a change in my life.
Yeah.
So I am okay with this. I think when you do, you're happy when you're eating with something. I don't think that food makes something bad in your body.
Yeah, no, I think IF is a great start. Also then, but what do you do to keep your own personal sense of balance? Since everybody struggles in day-to-day life, I'm sure your schedule is very busy as well. Yeah. Do you have tips for our people on what you can do in your day-to-day life when you are perhaps feeling overwhelmed, or perhaps saying that, you know, today's a big presentation, I want to get it right? Like, is there a 2-minute capsule that you have?
I don't have a 2-minute capsule, but I have two things in my life which is very necessary to make me feel calm all the time. One is I try spending some time with myself every day. Like, when you know everybody but you don't know anything about yourself is something which makes you very crazy when you're about to give some sessions, and it's like, क्या बोलूँगी मैं, क्या होगा, but I know मैं क्या बोलूँगी. Even if I'm not prepared for that, because I know myself, I know my thoughts, I know my feelings, I know my emotions. So I try doing that every day, even if it's for just 5 minutes. So I want to spend some time with myself कि मेरा दिन कैसा होगा, what am I feeling today, how am I feeling today, आज क्या करने का मन है. I talk to myself a lot. And second is I do my chantings every day. That's meditation for me. I don't leave that, and I think everybody should do that. You select your own mantras. I don't force people कि ये करो वो करो.
Yeah.
I think you know what works for you. I am nobody to say कि ये करने से ही हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होता. आप अपनी चीज़ खुद चुनिए. And so when you do that अपनी पसंद से, first thing is you're happy doing that because आपने अपनी पसंद से किया है, किसी के pressure में आके नहीं. And mantras do help.
Yeah.
It's proven everywhere. Please search. इतना भी अब मैं नहीं बताने वाली.
And if not, then you can go back and watch more reels of that. But quickly before I let you go, so we talked about guilty pleasure, and you said it is doom scrolling food challenge videos. Yes. What else? Who's the favorite actor? Who's the favorite cricketer? Do you do movies? Do you do OTT? What are you watching?
I don't have any favorites. I think all-time favorites Amit ji. He's a legend for me. But uske alawa, I like watching things. So if I like some series, I'll watch it. And
what are you watching right now?
I'm not watching anything right now, but I want to watch the new movie, Vikrant Massi's new movie.
Ah, the crime one. Yeah.
I've heard a lot about it. I want to watch it. Yeah.
Nice.
So I did download it, but yesterday I was sleeping in the flight. So I will watch it today when I'm going back.
And where is music inspiration coming from?
Music is bhajans for me, to be very honest.
Yeah,
I think spirituality with bhajan is super powerful.
No, but Friday evening when you want to sort of unpack your day, you want to get into the mood.
Yeah. So
what do you listen to?
I have my different playlists for different things. It's all about how you're feeling right now. So if you're feeling thoda sa sad, you like Arijit. If you're trying to listen a very power-packed thing, you have all the Punjabi playlists. You know, you have Diljit, you have my own. I have done a collab with a very famous singer in Punjab, Jassi Gill. So I have his songs. We have done a collab, a spiritual song. So the Punjabi playlist, it creates magic, you know. बहुत energy आ जाती है आपके अंदर. And then you have Sonu ji, Sonu Nigam ji, soulful songs.
I was going to ask you if you're a Swiftie, if you're listening to Taylor Swift as well.
I'm not into English songs or English movies. I'm sorry.
So
I'm too
Punjabi
desi.
music over anything else. Well,
Punjabi music and old songs.
हाँ.
Chukar Mere Man Ko. I think, yeah, that kind of song. That era. Kishore Da. Oh God.
Lovely, lovely, lovely chatting up. Thank
Same
you
here.
so
Thank you
much
so
and good luck.
Same to you. Thank you.